All right, guys, so today I'm gonna go over hook grip for deadlift. So you can come up here. So what we're basically gonna do, I kneel down to kind of conserve energy. So if I stand up, I'm gonna waste a lot of energy. So you see a lot of people, they set up like this and they fill around and they waste a bunch of energy. You don't wanna do that. So I like to kneel down. This is my preferred method. I'm not gonna exert myself too much like this. I can kind of take my time. But a lot of people rush hook grip too quickly. They don't take their time with the setup. They rush through the hook grip, they just reach down and then it slips. But a big mistake people make with hook grip too is they just try to come straight on with the bar here. So I generally like to line up where I'm halfway between the rings and the start of the knurling. So I'm kind of in the middle here. I do that to give my legs clearance. I don't want my arms to run into my legs, so that's one of the big things here. So one of the mistakes people make is they just get on the bar like this and grab the bar like that. And if you do that, it's gonna be very painful and the bar is gonna slip out of your hands. You're gonna have grip issues. It's not optimal. So the bar is too deep in my palm here. So instead of just grabbing on like this and grabbing my thumbs, like people think you do with hook grip, I'm actually gonna focus on my weak hand first, my left hand. So if you throw with your right hand, your left hand's probably gonna be weaker. That's the one you wanna focus on before you even worry about this. So just worry about one hand at a time. So I'm gonna take my left hand and I'm gonna come at it from an angle here. I'm gonna kind of come at it from the side and turn my hand out. So a big thing with hook grip when you're setting up, turn your hands out like that instead of straight on. That'll make sure it's not too deep in the palm. And you want the bar at an angle here instead of deep in the palm straight across. So by going like that, I create a better angle. So again, halfway between the rings, halfway between the knurling, I've got it angled out. I'm gonna take this hand and push the weaker thumb across the bar to try to get it deeper. And I'm just gonna use this hand to push that hand into position. From there, my hand is angled out. So you see this V angle, that's what we're going for. So once this hand is locked in, I can focus on this hand, come over here, and right just like that. So you can see my arms are angled outward as opposed to straight on like this. It's a subtle difference, but it's gonna make all the difference. So if you're here, you're gonna be too deep in the palm, it's gonna slip. But if I'm here, I'm in a good position. So just that little difference from being deep in the palm here to being angled out is gonna be the key to prevent the bar from slipping. Now the pinkies aren't doing a whole lot. They're still gripping the bar obviously like this, but they're not doing a ton here. Most of the work is done by the index finger, the middle finger, and then the thumb. So I want the index finger over the knuckle and the middle finger over the fingernail. That's basically what we're going for here. So you don't wanna be too far this way or too far this way. If you can see your knuckle, you're not gonna be deep enough, it's gonna slip out. So we wanna get here with the left hand. Again, I'm gonna push the thumb across, create that angle. You see the tension through the arm? You need that full tension through your arms. You can't have any slack like this. Come over here, and then I'm just gonna pop up and pull. So see this tension here, guys? That's what we're after. We're after this V angle, okay? I want your hands to be almost in a V this way. And when you're in that position, you can create maximum tension through the arms. So it's very important. So again, don't make the mistake of just grabbing the bar, going like this. It's gonna hurt like heck, it's gonna roll. You're gonna have all sorts of issues. Set it up. I'm going with the weak hand first. Pushing the thumb across. I've got that angle. Come over here, got that angle. Arms are taut. This is what I'm talking about with the tension. Even if you're not doing hook grip, if you're using straps or mixed grip or whatever, you need that tension through the arms like this. And then I'm just gonna pop up, get this tension through the arms, sink my hips, and explode up. So you're seeing that from here, I'm not exerting any energy. And then when I'm ready to go, I can be aggressive, stand up, fire hard, and get that tension through the arms. That's the other key thing. Get the tension through the arms, guys. If you do that, you should be able to master hook grip. But it's all about this angle in the hand. Just like this. Approach the bar like that.